Hi everyone, this is Saarth and welcome to my first ever devlog. So before we get started, let me just tell you guys that I'm not working on a new game, but I'm making an update for my pre-existing multiplayer shooter called Project Recoil, which kind of looks like a mess right now. So we're gonna fix that in the upcoming months. And yeah, before we get started, make sure to hit the like button to help me fight the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel so that whenever I drop the trailer, you guys can be the first ones to see. So yeah, let's get started. So when I first launched Project Recoil, the whole project was a mess. And on launch day, I was playing with a group of my friends when one of my friends goes like, "Man, I'm not feeling any friction in the game." Right? At that point, I was kind of confused what he meant by the word friction. But later, I understood that the player movement looked kind of unreal, so I had to fix that whole thing up. So basically, I went on to my head bob function and I redid the whole thing. Basically, we are using sine waves there, so I use the sine wave feature to add some more movement up and down when the player is moving with the gun in his hand, and I made it faster when the player is running, so now it looks a little bit more natural. And I also added a jump drop, so whenever a player jumps, the gun moves down a bit, and when he lands, it returns back to its original position. The set of hands that I initially had in Project Recoil looked kind of unprofessional, so I ended up getting these FPS hands from the Unity asset store. They were not free, but then the quality is far better than what we initially had. I also picked up a new pistol model that I got from this website. I'll link it in the description below, because the previous one that we had did not have the upper thing to reload and to shoot, so I ended up getting this new one. I also changed the AK-47 model because I found this really cool model on the Unity asset store that was free and it matches the game a lot more. So if you're in the market for a new AK-47 model, I think this is the one you should go with because this is free and it is very high quality. I also added this new bullet casing prefab, so now whenever we shoot, it feels like the bullets are flying out from the cartridge and it looks fairly cool. Because I had added a new set of hands, I had to redo all of the weapon animations. That means the equip, reload animations and sometimes the shoot animations. So I had to redo the whole thing. Even though these new animations are not that much better than what we previously had, having a new set of hands with better rigging definitely helped me out and it made the whole process a little bit easier for me. Along with the new weapon animations that I made, I also read your comments and I ended up downloading quite a lot of animations from Mixamo, added quite a lot of blend trees, made my animator go crazy and came out with this. No, that was just a joke, but the animations that I got this time look far better than what they previously were, and now whenever a player is walking, it definitely looks like it's a video game character that's walking and not a penguin. So if you're working on a video game and you want animations, I think you should definitely consider Mixamo if you're new to animation like me. And yeah, this is it for all I have done on Project Recoil as of now, and definitely I do feel a difference. It is a lot more responsive than what it previously was, and I'm really enjoying this whole process. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next devlog when I will be working on the new maps. And yeah, peace out.